Hey guys, Digital Mentor here. Today I'm going to talk to you about how to earn $300 on YouTube without recording videos. Guys, you're really going to love this video that I made for you today. But definitely make sure you hit the like button. If you like the videos I'm making, please make sure you subscribe. Also, hit the bell notification icon in the corner for notifications for future videos. If you want to know my #1 recommendation for making money online, it is the first link in the description below. So getting right into this video, guys, we are on a site that I like to use a lot. It is called ClickBank. ClickBank is a site that promotes products, and it's an affiliate site where you're going to be able to make a commission off of promoting and selling certain products, whether online products, there are different programs. You are going to be able to make money on this site by driving traffic to them and then also selling their products online. So once you have gotten yourself a free ClickBank account, you're going to want to sign up and get your free account. You are going to want to head right over to the marketplace. I'm going to head over to the marketplace, and you're looking at it right now. Now, when you're on the marketplace, you're going to want to look on the left-hand corner of your screen under categories. They have tons of different things you can sell, whether it's cooking, food and wine, education. They have family and parenting. They have business and investing. So there are a lot of categories that you can find a product that you'd like to promote and sell as an affiliate on this site. So for today's purposes only, I am going to hit parenting and families because that really resonates with me as a mom of 3. So what we're looking at now are the different products that you can promote. When I look for products, I tend to just look by popularity. They seem to be really popular products that are selling. I want to make sure that I pick a product that's going to sell. It's not like an unpopular product. Like I said, for today's purposes only, I am going to do children learning and reading. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the link, and you're going to want to really just take a really good look at this product. And what they have is they have videos. So once you're promoting this product and you put your affiliate link in and someone clicks on it, it's going to bring them to your custom page right here, and they're going to be able to look at the video. And what's great about ClickBank is you don't have to do a lot of work because the videos that they put on there really seem to sell the products themselves. You ideally only have to just get the people to the video and let the video do the selling for you. So it's a really simple, easy way to make money online. So as you can see, you just hit the play button. You're going to hit this little guy. He's going to talk to them about how to teach your child to read. And me as mom, we all want our kids to be good in school. We want them to be able to read easy, and we want them to hit all their milestones at an early age so we can brag to everybody about what our kids are doing. So I find this product to be a really good product to choose to promote. So I have chose this product. What do you do once you have picked out a product? You are going to go over and you're going to hit the promote button on ClickBank. Give me 1 second to get there. There, found it. So now you want to generate things. So you are going to get a hop links. What a hop links is it's going to be your customized link to your product that you are selling. So you are going to want to hit the little paper icon in the right hand corner, and it's going to copy your URL. So this is a really ugly, gross looking URL. It says ClickBank in it. So people, if you just paste it like this, they're going to know that you're just trying to sell them something. So what do I do with this link? I am going to take it over to bit.ly.com. What bit.ly does is it resizes your link and makes it look pretty and aesthetically pleasing. So you're going to want to hit search. You're going to paste your URL, and then you're just going to hit the enter button, and you're going to get generated a new URL to be sending people to. That's going to look a lot better. So let's just make a new link. There we go, guys. It's as easy as that. So now you have your own custom link to your affiliate page on ClickBank that does not say ClickBank on it. So you're asking me, well, what do I do now? You are going to want to go to google.com because ideally we're going to have to make a video, but you're not going to actually have to put your face in front of this video. How do I do it? You go to google.com. You start looking up things that are keyword ranked, like blogs and things of that nature that are similar to the product that you're looking for, because you're going to want to find one of the highest ranking blogs. Once you have gone through Google and you've looked for one, you're going to want to click on a couple blogs. So let me click on one for you. I already picked one. It's 10 steps for teaching children to read. So I'm going to click on this, and it's going to be a blog, and it's a high ranking blog on Google. I think it was like 2 or 3. I didn't check exactly. So I'm going to briefly just take a quick look through this blog and say I really enjoyed the blog. I think it has really good content, and I want to use it for the video that I'm going to use on YouTube. So what you are going to do is you're going to want to copy and paste this URL, and you're going to take it to another site. So once we've copied it, you are going to take it over to a site called Lumen 5, which is a really easy site on making videos that are going to be uploadable to YouTube. So we are going to use this. So we're going to hit create video. You know, I talk pretty fast, guys, so just try and keep up. And you are going to look for a YouTube landscape, because this is where we are going to be posting these videos with our affiliate links to them. So you're going to hit YouTube landscape, and you are going to paste your blog URL into start with a link and hit go. So they give you these options of choosing a theme, how you want your text and stuff to look on your video. So I'm doing a parenting video. I want it to look a little bit more serious, so I'm probably not going to pick pop style. I like what we think we become, just because it looks a little bit more professional. So you're going to want to click on whatever theme you like best. So now it is incorporating what was in the blog post along with what I have chose to use as my background for my video. As you can see, it says 10 steps for teaching children to read. So you're going to want to go through this and change it up a little bit, because you don't want it to be exactly what was written in your blog, because everybody knows that nobody likes a copycat. So we're going to change a few little things in it so that it's not the exact same. On top of changing a few little things in your videos, you can also change the background for it. You want to hit media, and you are just, it's literally like a click and drag over to change the background of your video. And it takes a couple seconds to upload. So on top of doing this, they have a ton of free pictures and videos that you can use to add to your video, as well as music that once you're done, you change the words around a little bit, and you have made sure it's perfect, the spelling's correct, you've changed the background and all of the frames that you want to show on your video, you can actually add music to it. I find that a lot of YouTube videos do better once you add a little bit of music to it. So what you're going to do is you're going to want to select one of these music types, and you're just going to add it over to your video. I'm just going to randomly pick Homeland here. So then you're going to want to preview your video, and once you are finished, you like the way it looks, you like the way it sounds, you are ideally going to need to publish it, which firms up the entire video. So once you have published, and once you're done, you are going to want to publish. After you have published your video, you are going to want to upload it somewhere, and you're going to want to get it in front of people. As we chose earlier in Lumen 5, we have picked a YouTube landscape, so we're going to be uploading these videos onto YouTube. So I'm going to hop over to YouTube real quick and just give you a brief overview of how we're going to get this working. So once you have created your free YouTube account, you are going to look up a keyword that's similar to the blog title that you use, because it's already ranked. And I've already put in teaching children how to read. So it's similar to the blog, and it's gonna show me some videos. As you can see, there's quite a few keyword ranked videos here. There's tips on reading to kids, 3-year-old reading with alpha phonics. There's how to teach any child to read easy, fast, and amazing. So we're going to pick this one really quick because it has 2 million views and it was only made 2 years ago. So obviously this one is keyword ranked. So we're going to try and use a similar title to this when we do upload the video. So I'm going to click on this one really quick for
Hi,
you
I'm
here.
Brooke Shields.
And taking a look at this, you are going to see the description here. So when you click on the description, I'm not sure if this one has it. Yes, so you are going to see that there's a brief overview of what the video is about, how you're going to use these proven techniques to teach children how to read, and then you're going to see a link there. So when you upload your video, you are going to want to make sure that your keyword is part of the first part of your description. And then the second part is going to be your link. The link that we are going to use is the one that we worked on in bit.ly.com. So you're going to copy, paste that, and throw it right over here into your description of your YouTube video. Guys, it's that simple. This is a quick, proven way to be able to produce some cash really quick, and you're going to be able to use your affiliate link and get it in front of a lot of eyes. It's really quick, it's easy, and you don't need to be recording any videos. You don't have to put your face on it for this system and making money online to work. Guys, if you like my video, please like it. Make sure to subscribe. Also, hit the bell icon in the corner for notifications for future videos. If you would like to know my #1 recommendation for making money online, it's the first link in your description below. Thanks.